have visitor here. Mag-isa lang siya naglilinis, guys. Oh. Mag-isa lang siya, guys. Oh. Hindi ko yan pinatatakbo. Siya pupunta na sa akin. Yeah. Ayun, nakita niya yung dumi. Oh. Good job. Walang tao yan, oh. Mag-isa lang ako dito, guys. Kung kaya yung operator nito. Naghahanap na siya ng mga kalat. Ayan, balik na ulit. Good afternoon. Thanks for watching. Yun, may nakita siya. Hindi ako nagpapatakbo niya, guys. Walang tao dito. Mag-isa lang. Bigla na lang yan lumabas. I'm not operating by myself. I don't know. I don't know who it is. I don't. I don't know who it is. I just saw it, you know. See, you don't see anyone. I'm alone, right? I'm not doing it. I'm not operating it. So cute. Or maybe he's hiding. Oh, oh. Hey, cute. I love it. I love it. See, hindi na kailangan ng cleaner, ano? Hindi naglilinis na ng kanya, guys. Iwan ko, sino nagdala dito? Wala naman ako nakikita nagdala. Mag-isa lang ako dito, guys. Thanks for watching. Hayaan mo siya magtrabaho. Bye.